everybody, how are you today? Let me introduce you my garden. I would call it a Asian garden. In here I have many types of Asian vegetables. Both come from Asia, shisho or perilla. Ground rice is plant called Malabar spinach. It looks identical to spinach. This one called Yu Choi Sam. They have dark green leaves. I use them for soups, stir-fry with meat, or saute them with garlic. Their young flower stems taste like broccoli. This one called Celtuce. You can eat their young leaf like lettuce, and the body you can stir fry or make salad. I guess you all know this is shiso. I have them in so many videos. I also plant ground rice or Japanese green. I use them for soup or in hot pot. Joe fennel is my favorite one for stir-fry. Down there is celery. It's all for my Asian garden. So if you like my video, please comment, subscribe, share. It will help me a lot. To continue, I will show how I harvest ground daisy to make a very simple soup with ground meat. Pounds or more. fish or pork, and the other one is vegetable soup. Are you curious what are they? They are celtuce. If you don't want to use celtuce for salad, you can cook. Let's cook celtuce.